You are most welcome to our channel, Mathematics Simplified. My vision is to create and improve in the learning of mathematics and science. We have a problem in our countries. Many students cram these things, and at the end, they fail to understand what they are trying to learn, to put down. My target is simple. I want to have a greater interest in mathematics learning and the science learning, where I have observed students' problems in the teaching and learning of the subjects. I have not told you where I come from, but sincerely, I'm Wasswa Hussein, a Ugandan, a professional teacher who completed from Makerere University, that one many of you know, and I taught for over 30 years those subjects of mathematics and science. There are some schools, of course there are so many, I cannot list all of them, but I have some few of them. And many of you will recall, you can even remember me because they are rare twins, but I am among them who used to teach mathematics. So, students of Gombe SS, Mariam High School, Kapungu Memorial, BLK Muonge, in Ntunda there, we have Kampala High School. I did it in some of them. I have also in Gombe, around Gombe, I have a school, Mwerere Secondary School. There are so many. Mbuli Secondary School where I am born. Those schools are very common. I taught all those areas. I'm sure. I think I have forgotten. There is even Masake says, we have Masulita. There. All the schools I have an experience. I learned a lot of things. And today, that's why I'm here. To see and to make sure that very many students who go to class can really understand the mathematics and the science. Today, I'm going to start with a simple topic. It's a bit confusing because the number of years I've taken, very many students were complaining, hey, logarithm. So I said, no, I should start with that one, where there is a lot of confusion. So, my simple topic is logarithm. Logarithm, sometimes call it powers or indices. This term looks new to many students when you introduce it. But I want to assure you that it is as simple as what you've been learning in primary. In primary, we use this word powers. When we come to secondary, we normally come to the word index or indices when they are used. But you find when you bring the word logarithm, students get confused. So that's why I want today to look at that topic in a humble form. Okay, let's look at some of the simple examples. You know how to multiply 2 times 2 times 2. Hey, this one is 2 times 2 is 4. You can write this one in the form as 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. As simple as that. That power is what we refer to as logarithm. We normally call it, and sometimes they call it index when it is 1. Some students use, some teachers use power. But when you come to secondary school, that's when you meet that word, logarithm. So, a logarithm is a power. A logarithm is a power. That is the first part you should know, that you are looking for power. When they ask you, find the logarithm of this, then they are asking you for a power or an index. When you say 3 to power 2, means 3 times 3, and in this case, it is the 9. So 2 becomes the power. 2 becomes the power. 3, we normally give it a name called a base. A 9, which is our answer, that 9 is sometimes referred to as a number. A number. Sincerely, that is where students get confused. That 9, which is our number, students have a feeling that that is the answer. No. It is when we ask a logarithm, we look for the logarithm which is put on a base to give us that answer or that number. And we write in short, and this language is the problem. We write logarithm of 9. Logarithm of 9 is 2. Is 2. What is missing? What is actually missing is a base where this 2 is supposed to sit. So this format of writing is not complete. So when you want to write it properly to show every feature of these numbers, you write logarithm of a number, logarithm of a number 9 to base 3. To base 3 is 2. Is 2. In short, in mathematics we have a language of symbols. And here, this is where I want to emphasize that students should understand properly these symbols if you want to do mathematics. If you want to be a specialist in mathematics, understand the symbols we are using. So here, you come to log. You put a 3 here of 9. Look at the of 9. This one is equal to is. This equal sign means is equal to. 2 is equal to 2. In other words, logarithm of 9 to base 3, when the base is written here. And remember, in mathematics, you should know the rules, because we are not, it's not only in Uganda that are going to use these symbols. Every country must use the same symbol. So you should understand these symbols properly. So when you write logarithm of 9 equal to 2, the base is 3, it should be understood by a person in Kenya, in Tanzania, and in Britain. They should be knowing the same thing. That is how you are going to really communicate with each other from one country to another country. So, when the rule of writing this one is like this, logarithm of 9 equals 2, means the power, when your answer is 9, is 2, but 2 must be placed on what? On 3. In other words, you have 3 power 2 gives us what? 9. This 2 is the logarithm we are looking for. That 2 is the logarithm we are looking for. I hope that point is clear. I can try to give another example. 2 to power 3. 2 to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4. 2 to power 3 is 8. The upside part is this. Some students forget that 2 to power 3 is 8. Instead of multiplying 3 times, they say 2 times 3 and they give you 6, which is wrong. That one is not correct. 2 to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And that's how we get 8. We don't multiply 2 times 3. No, that is wrong. In this case, therefore, 3 is our power. Or you could say that 3 is the logarithm. Is the logarithm of 8. Or you can say the logarithm of 8. When the base is 3, when the base is, when the base is 2, when the base is 2, is 3. The base is 2. The base is 2. The logarithm of 8, when the base is 2, is 3. In simple form, you write it log of base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Logarithm of 8 is 3. That's as simple as that. Logarithm of 8 is 3. The base must be 2. So you write your base here. That's the acceptable form of writing in every country. Can you give me the logarithm of 100? Log of 100. Some of you must be my viewers. If you have been following, you can easily tell the logarithm of 100 when the base is 10. How many times do we multiply 10? 10. For example, if you multiply 10 times 10 times 10, what is the answer for that? That one is 1,000. If you have been following. Whereas 10 times 10 gives us 100. Our question is here. In other words, 10 multiply it 2 times. 10 power 2 is 100. That means this 2 is our power. At the same time, this 2 is our logarithm. So, viewers, don't fear such numbers. A logarithm is simply power. So we write logarithm of 100. Our answer can be written in this form. Log of 100 base 10 equals 2. Equals 2. Can you find the logarithm of 1,000 when the base is 10? What is the answer, viewers? You can get the answer very fast here. Because 10 times 10 times 10, that is 1,000. So the 10 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So the power which you want, which you can write, you can even put it aside and say 10 to the power 3 is 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. In other words, the power is 3, or the logarithm is 3. So you write your answer as logarithm of 1,000 when the base is 10 is equal to 3. You can even get the answer for logarithm of 10,000, 100,000. All those are possible. We can write these logarithms as quickly as possible. Log of 10,000 when the base is 10 log of 100,000 when the base is 10 log of 1 million when the base is 10. All those ones can be found very, very shortly. Simply convert them in this form. 10,000 is the same as 10 power 4. That means the logarithm is 4. A wise student has already counted the zeros. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are 5 zeros. That means 10 power 5 is 100,000. So even in this one, 10 power 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the logarithm is 5. Ten to power 6 is a million. Therefore, the logarithm of 1 million is 6. I really don't see where you fail. You're going to pass the things very, very fast. Can I give you this one? The logarithm of 81 to base 9? What is the answer for that one? 9 times 9. 9 times 9. You know that one. This is 81. That means it is 9 squared is equal to 81. So the logarithm is simply 2. My students here, I know some of you have already worked for it and you have already got your answer. So the logarithm is 2 because of that. I'm interested now to see how you are going to react over these numbers. So can I try to give you this simple exercise? Okay. Find the logarithm of the following. Find the logarithm of the following. I'm going to simplify it for you. I'm going to write simply, you just think of the answer. Logarithm of 16, base is 2. Logarithm of 64, base is 2. You just put there the answer. Then you can do it. You can break 16 and so on, and 64 and so any in terms of 2. Please, some of you, you can even use the power, the tree. Let me try to show you. If you have got, for example, 81, you can use this factor tree in case the base is 9. You just use 9, and what next is here is 9. If the base is 3, break it in terms of 3. But those tricks are there. We shall come to them. But I'm making you aware that there are so many possible ways you can get the answer. Some of you are very keen enough and get these answers very, very fast, mentally. Okay, you are going to try this one. Logarithm Okay, dear viewers, I think you can try those numbers. And I want to see how you react over them. Thank you very much.